Hi. Hi guys, how are you? Okay, so today we're gonna make a quick, easy sunflower pate, sunflower seed pate, and we're gonna put it in a collard green wrap. You can also take a zucchini, slice it very thin, lengthwise, salt it on both sides so it tenderizes a little bit, and you could just roll them up, roll this pate up in a zucchini. The presentation is beautiful. So I just wanted to show you how fast and easy something like this is. So what I have here is 1 cup of sunflower seeds that have been soaking in water. I've only had them soaking maybe an hour or less, which is okay. And if you forget to soak them, don't freak out, you can still use them. Just give them a rinse. So now I'm just gonna rinse them a little bit. Shake out some of that extra water. Pop them into your high-speed blender. And now you're going to flavor them. So that is completely personal and up to you. I'm deviating slightly from the recipe. I really never stick to a recipe. I just kind of think about what do I want to eat today? What flavors do I want? Recipes are really just great if you want to use them as a guide, and then you put in whatever you want in here. So I have a scallion that I'm just, actually 2 scallions, gonna chop that up, throw that in. I'm gonna put in 1 clove of garlic, a little piece of raw onion, you know, personal preference, do what you like, and some lemon. I really love the flavor of lemon, so I'm just gonna squeeze this in. That's good. And here I have some cilantro, throw that in. About 4 tablespoons of olive oil. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a nice amount of coarse salt. I would say a tablespoon. A little bit of smoked paprika. It has a really strong flavor, so go easy, but it's very, very tasty. So I'm gonna put about, I don't know, maybe a 1/2 teaspoon to 3/4 teaspoon. So I think that's good. That's it. There's our pate. We're going to close up our blender, zip it up. Okay, so now we're gonna talk about toppings. What would you like to put on your sandwich? I thought I would put an avocado. This one is very ripe. It might even be too ripe. Let's see. Yeah, see? So scoop it out with a spoon, cut away the part that you don't want. Let's taste it. It's excellent. So that's gonna go on our wrap. Now, here is our bread. It's a collard green leaf, and we are going to start with it. Let me clean up a little bit. Shiny side down, and we're gonna remove this woody center stem by just gliding gently across the stem, just like this, okay? So now we've taken this part out, and we're gonna just build our sandwich. We have our pate, which I want to sample because maybe it might need a little more salt. So we'll load that up. Okay, so here we are with our pate. And you could just spread it out. You could leave it in one spot or put it all over the leaf, whatever you prefer. Let's sample. Well salted, very tasty. Picking up mostly the smoke. Let's put on our avocado, our greens, I have this quick little thing. Cut off the end, just to add a little color. Let me grab it like this. Okay. And some sweetness. You can buy the grated carrot in the bag. It's amazing how much you can purchase at the store pre-prepped for you and pre-done so that you can save so much time. So now we have our carrot. You could grate up an apple in here. You could put any number of vegetables. You could drizzle in sesame oil and have that kind of flavor going on, whatever you want. So now we are just going to attack it, just like this, like sushi. Roll it up. It's gonna ooze out, don't worry. Just enjoy it. Roll it in half. And then just cut it in half. And you have a gorgeous, yummy sandwich. Can you see that? Beautiful, delicious. You can even grate up some beet. That would be great. And you could share this with a friend if you wanted. Cheers. A delicious, healthy sandwich. Sunflower seed pate. I'm gonna go in for a bite. Very good. I believe you guys are gonna love this one.